Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is about this cute snowman. We will learn how to draw, color it, and get creative with the finished drawing. Let's get started. And we will start with the head first. Let's draw an unfinished oval. And we will leave the gap on the top. And we need to connect both ends with a straight line. Then right above this line, we will draw one more line, but it will be a little bit longer. And then two shorter lines, a little bit below this first line. And then we can connect them on the sides. So right above this corner, we are going to draw one line going up for the side of the head. Same above this right corner. Finish the shape with slightly curved line on the top. And add another matching line for the head's belt. Okay, once we have that shape, we can start drawing his face. Somewhere in the middle of this oval, we are going to draw one sideways V with the curved line at the end for the carrot nose. Then we can draw two ovals for his eyes. Add round highlights inside. We're gonna keep them in white and fill the rest of the space in black. Now we can add tiny curves for eyebrows. Cute smile. And two ovals for cheeks. I'm very happy with our drawing so far. Let's draw his scarf now. Right under the chin, we will draw a matching line. And connect with the face on both sides. Then we can add the ends of the scarf here. Now we can add stripes for the scarf. And we can draw some details for the scarf's ends to make our drawing more interesting. So now the next part of the body is going to be exactly the same shape and the size as the head. So again, we will draw unfinished oval. But we are going to leave a tiny gap here for the arm, and we will go back to this part later. Now let's finish the body and add the third snowball, the biggest one. Two curved sides. And it's going to be a little bit flatter on the bottom. Alright, Let's add 2 U shapes for his feet. Then we need to draw buttons, 3 for each part of the body. And we're almost done with the line work, only arms are missing here, and our snowman will have 3 branches instead of his arms. So firstly we are going to have one line here inside this gap, same line right above it, but we should leave a small gap in the middle for the smaller branch. Then we will add 2 shorter lines going sideways. Small V shape next to it. Connect them together. And let's draw another small branch in the small gap. And close the shape here. We can repeat the same for the left arm. One longer line. Another line above it with the gap. 2 lines going sideways. Small V. Connect those parts together. And add the last branch. And our line work is complete. I think our snowman turned out very cute. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Now the next step is to color our body, and I will fast forward this process. You can pause anytime that you like. And then after we finish coloring, at the very end of the video, I will show you a couple of ideas of how you can get creative when drawing a snowman. See you in a moment. And here is our finished result. Now if you want to draw another snowman, you can choose which details to change or to add. Maybe draw your snowman holding some Christmas ornaments. Or completely different fun idea, a snowman on vacation. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial as much as I did, and as always, see you in my next videos. Bye bye!